If you've ever wondered, can you delete Twitter watch history? The short answer is no, not exactly. X, which is still often called Twitter, does not give you a direct watch history page where you can review every video you've seen and erase it one by one. So if you're trying to find a hidden watch history menu, you're not missing it. It simply isn't available the way it is on some other platforms, but there is a workaround, and in this video I'll show you what you can do instead to reset what X thinks you want to see. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Let's get into it. First, it helps to understand what X is actually tracking. Even though there isn't a visible watch history list, X does use your activity to shape your recommendations, especially in your For You feed. That means your video viewing behavior, your searches, and the topics you interact with can all influence what shows up next. So instead of deleting a watch history that you can't access, the goal is to reduce the signals that are shaping your feed. The first thing you can do is reset your personalization settings. Open the X app on your phone or go to X in your browser, then tap the More option under your profile icon. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps a lot of the account controls, and it's the best place to start if you want to clean up your recommendations. Next, tap Privacy and Safety, then go to Content you see. In this section, X lets you manage the topics and content that affect your experience. If you've been getting too many video recommendations based on certain subjects, you can uncheck topics or keywords you no longer want influencing your feed. This won't delete a watch history because that history doesn't exist as a visible list, but it can help retrain the algorithm so your feed becomes less cluttered with similar content. Now let's move to the second workaround, which is clearing your local search history. This part matters because X often links what you watch with what you search for. If you've been searching for certain accounts, hashtags, or video topics, those searches can feed the recommendation system and keep similar videos showing up. To clear it, tap the search magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap into the search bar at the top. You should see your recent searches appear. Look for the small X button or the clear all option next to recent searches and tap it to remove those search entries. This is a simple step, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to stop X from suggesting the same type of videos over and over again. If you want the cleanest possible reset, I recommend doing both steps together. First, adjust your content and topic settings, and second, clear your search history. That combination won't give you a literal deleted watch history, but it will reduce the signals X uses to personalize your feed. In other words, you're not deleting a list of watched videos, you're minimizing the traces that influence what X thinks you want to watch next. And one more important tip, if you're using X on multiple devices, make sure you check the same account everywhere. Your personalization is tied to your account, not just one phone or browser, so if you only clear search history on one device but keep using the account elsewhere, the recommendations may still update based on your ongoing activity. So, to recap, can you delete Twitter watch history? Not directly, because X doesn't provide a watch history list. But you can reset your personalization by going into Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, then Content you see, and by clearing your local search history from the Search tab. Those two steps are the best way to reduce what X shows you moving forward. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.